Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today on Friday, October the 1st, first Friday of the month, 2021. Yeah, we have a speed test. Speed test, yes. Speed test with the Sudoku Light, regular Sudoku, or the Sudoku Heavy. Well, let me do both of them. We will see. I cannot promise. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional, and I believe there are 6 extra Sudokus, and I won't do them all. Only three, only half of them. I will solve 3 of them. But first, we will solve these 2 regular Sudokus. Speed test, yes, and this will be number 3473. Is this correct? No, it's 74. Mistake. So 3474. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. 9 times 4, 36. So let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Oh, I don't have to give any instructions. So, speed test. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. 1 we have here. Then 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 9, 6, and a 9, 9, 9, 9, 1 and a 4, a 9 and a 2, 2 here, 1 and a 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 9, 9, 9. Oh, no. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Ooh, what the 6, 6, 6. 2 and a 3. One number 4. One number. No. The 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should be here. 6. 2 and the 3. 2, 6 and the 4. 6, 5 and the 4. 1, 1, 4, 4, 2. 1, 2 and the 3 and the 3 and 5. 3 and 9. Yes, finish in 4 minutes. Wow. Yeah, 4 minutes. Well, let me check if this is correct. 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, 7, 3, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, correct. 4 minutes. Wow. So I don't need to give any instructions for the speed test. And in the beginning, I was doing that. Anyway, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And in a minute, I will continue with the other speed test with the heavy Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.